If you have been looking for alternative GPT, this is the software, guys. Right now it's BART, BART. It is powered by Google. So I'm searching, guys. Very safe. When the advanced AI, pinda pekutanga. Guys, these guys they claim that I'm a face Google. They claim that you're about 10 times smarter than ChatGPT. I don't know how true is that. So let's put it on the test. Do an example to let's ask it to generate a short story about a boy who loves cryptocurrency. Guys, there are a lot of things you can do with this AI. On my next videos, I'll be showing you how to make money. So you don't want to miss those videos. Better subscribe or do back a notification. There are many things you can do with this AI. There's the short story. Guys, accurate urava na maora. Guys, maora. You can even quote a bot, guys. Kana dogazira ka WhatsApp bot kako maybe anenge achipindura ma-customers ako anything. Unongoitaura zvauri kuda chete. Let's do example WhatsApp bot. Handina experience in coding, but I see nyanga on AI. It will give you the Pine script. You will specify to do that. But for an example, don't wait code me a WhatsApp bot. So you need to go in depth, no die. And it is free, guys. I think ChatGPT no battery. But a free version no battery, but this one is free. There's the Pine script, Python script. So guys, you can do anything. Right now I'm working on coding a robot for trading. Rotary go trade. Chifara. Guys, I'm a stop loss. Guys, this is a game changer. I think AI is the best thing. Yaitika Corera 2023. This is one of the best things. With a win rate of 40%. I think when I charge GPT, I know badari my service I know badara in very fast. But AI is slow, right? Is slow. There's the Pine script. So I'm going to copy the Pine script. I'm going to paste it by trading view. Anyway. Big tester or DDD, I'll make a video. And I'm sharing that down by comment section to that video code trading bot to it at this. Store near boys. Let's make money, guys. Kuna mabasa. Let's make money. So guys, this is the BART AI. I will not reset a conversation because nobody can know how change or get a new conversation for reset because in engaging go continue. No one will use that correct up at Canapani era correct change. So I can go to another topic. No reset up. I've been the ChatGPT version. ChatGPT vangu rutanzi ukashandisa ma VPN inoshanda. I don't think so. Because AI is smart kudaro ndara don't my VPN roshanda. I haven't tried it anyway. Saka nyarare. So let's sign in. It's not available in Zimbabwe. Saka BART is the alternative. But in our kushandisa ChatGPT. Let's write a story about COVID-19. Guys, on my next video I'll be showing you how to make money with this AI. So you need to subscribe or watch my notification mabheo nei nomacomment guys taurai waziva kuti muri kunakirwa here pana zvamusina kunzwa chichi waiziva. I'll make a video how to use this one I'm using shandisa terminal. So guys, tap in. God bless.